friends, welcome to Self-Learning Tennis. This is Hamid. We'll continue on with our fresh lesson on the general topic side. We'll be covering the background and importance of swing to achieve any shot, ground stroke, or any of the tennis standard shots. When we say swing, so it's all about our active hands motion to achieve the hit. So that's all in a nutshell what the swing is about. But before we get to that level, let us take a step back and talk about how our like a human body should be able to achieve the energy impact to a ball to go from point A to point B. Suppose I'm just, before I even touch the racket, I'm just taking a step back and trying to achieve. How do I transfer my desired energy to this ball to move this ball from point A to point B? So I throw this. Look at my body posture. I'm going to throw a couple balls and in a very style, and I'm going to ask a question and then emphasize it. See, I'm throwing the ball like, look at my overall body, what's happening. In the first ball and the second ball and the third ball. So from the three examples, you might first see that I was not more utilizing my overall body. I was trying to impact the energy to the ball just by using my right hand like that, and my left hand and the whole body, the footwork was silent. It's not moving. In the second one, you might have noticed I didn't use the second left hand, which is my passive hand. I just used some footwork and achieved that. And third one, I utilized my whole body. I used my left hand and the footwork and achieved the max one. I wish the camera were on this side, but I wanted to face that. So the third category did go far. So what I was trying to arrive at this instant is the whole, the more the body is involved, the more the energy is imparted to the ball. So that is the essence of the swing. So now from the tennis lingo, this is what we'll integrate. The tennis swing is the circular motion of the racket imparted to the moving ball, at a certain height. We'll talk about it. But from the player's point of view, it's the whole body engagement. A good swing is achieved by the upper body twist with some portion of the footwork. And we'll talk about that in the second clip of this video, because I need more room to demonstrate that. Thank you. Okay. Let's continue on with our second clip for this concept of the background and importance of the swing. So we understood in our clip the background, of course. So now we'll demonstrate a typical swing, how it takes, how the upper body and the footwork is involved. So we have to create the overall twist of the body in order to achieve a standard acceptable swing. And for that, two critical aspects of a successful swing is the passive hand, which enables the twist of the upper body, and the footwork. Okay, so the first, so if suppose I'm trying to do a forehand swing at a certain acceptable height of the ball contact, my passive hand is supposed to get ready in the swing ready situation. So that would be like this, and you see how automatically my left foot is approaching. So that's where the footwork is involved, and the upper body twist is achieved by the passive hand. So the swing, the racket is going in the back, and a letter C, an arc, is to be generated by the active hand, which is my racket hand. So towards the end of the arc, which is the swing, that's where the ball contact would be. I'll talk about more detail on the forehand, backhand swings in my other subsequent lessons, but this one is just the importance of any typical swing. The same concept on any shot. So I'll just demonstrate on this stationary ball here, like a different height. using the pre-beginner ball. So any slow motion, like a normal motion kind, this would be happening. So I'm looking at the open stand, the ready position, and then how my passive hand is rotating. So it's like a pivoting on the right foot. So this is where the swing occurred, like an arc. I'll have the camera record this in a real shot on this side. Thank you. I'll continue with the importance of swing lesson. We'll use the forehand flat kind to demonstrate a typical swing. So from that camera angle towards my due side corner, I'll be generating the letter C, which is a swing arc. And try to look at how the contact is occurring at either my little about the knee height or the waist. I'll demonstrate two balls. And now the waist height. So I'll do it in another without the ball. Do it in the open stand to the swing time. And I'll be doing the weight transfer now to the interesting towards the forward. Thank you.